All right, I'm going to show you what is in the Uneeda Ekapro kit right here. This does feature the 3x4 Ekasand sander. I do have to say this is probably one of the most versatile tools as a professional painter that you'll ever own. I use my Ekasand 3x4 sander for refinishing cabinets, for refinishing furniture, and also interior trim refinishing. It comes in the kit. I'm going to show you what's in the kit. You can see on the box, it comes with a whole list of abrasives on here. It comes with EkaSilk abrasives from 1/2-inch braces to 5mm abrasives to 10mm abrasives, varying from open cell abrasives to closed cell abrasives. It also comes with Film Tech, which is a plastic abrasive. It comes with EkaStorm, which is a paper abrasive. It does come with a pad saver and an interface pad also. And one of the really cool things it does have is a tool bag to put all this stuff in, so you could just walk right into the job site and be ready to go with your sander and all your abrasives. I'll open up the kit. It's a pretty cool deal right here. Once again, it's probably one of the most valuable tools as a professional painter. Once I was introduced to the sander, it completely revolutionized my sanding and prepping process when it comes to painting cabinets. So here's 2 boxes. These contain the abrasives. We have a box that contains our Ekasand sander. Uneeda makes best abrasives I've ever used. They're some of the best abrasives in the world right here. This is a kit of abrasives that has open cell abrasives, closed cell abrasives, has our pad saver and our interface pad right here. We'll break some of those out and we'll show you. Here's the other box that has a list of abrasives right here, more open cell abrasives. We got Film Tech. I'll talk to you about a little bit about what Film Tech is and what EkaStorm is and where I use both of them. Open up the sander. Here's our sander. Once again, this is the best 3x4 sander. This is it right here. It's got a 3x4 profile. It's got a paddle on and off right here. It's a variable speed sander. It's a hook and loop sander where your abrasives attach quickly and remove quickly. I'll show you. This is an open cell foam abrasive. One of the great things about this tool right here is it contours the routed edges, contoured edges, rounded edges, just because of this open cell. This thing just attaches quickly and easily. You can see it'll just contour to my finger. So that's one of the really cool features about the 3x4 sander. It does have a vacuum attachment. So this was another one of the things that really revolutionized my cabinet refinishing. I never really sanded cabinets before until I was introduced to this sander, and then especially attached to a vacuum. I actually use Uneeda's vacuum. When I hooked up to this vacuum, it almost virtually sands dust free. The kit comes with basically like a whole array of abrasives that will get you started in cabinet refinishing, furniture refinishing, and refinishing trim. So EkaStorm abrasives, this is a paper abrasive right here. So a paper abrasive cuts a lot faster than a plastic abrasive, but being paper can tear. If I'm doing any type of stripping of a finish, I'm going to be using EkaStorm. If I'm sanding in between coats or if I'm sanding wood in general, Film Tech, this is a plastic abrasive that won't tear. So if you hit sharp corners or sharp objects and stuff, EkaStorm could actually tear, and it does, the edges do wear out a little bit faster. Film Tech lasts significantly longer because it's a plastic abrasive that doesn't tear. So you get a whole lineup. We've got 150, we've got 120, we've got 80, and we've got 180 right here. So a whole list of grits, anything you're going to need for your project. Same with Film Tech, 150, 120, we've got 80, and then we've got 180 there. Interface pads and a pad saver. If you've never seen what these are before, an interface pad, if you don't have foam abrasives and you want to turn, say, a piece of EkaStorm or a piece of Film Tech into a foam abrasive, all you do is attach that to a foam abrasive, and now you have a foam abrasive that will contour the routed edges. You can take and attach to your interface pad. You can attach Film Tech or EkaStorm. You've got a pad saver that's going to go onto your 3x4 sander. This is an absolute must. Anytime you're using a paper abrasive or using Film Tech. So anytime you're using a flat abrasive, use your interface pad. It will help eliminate swirls. And if you ever wear through your paper abrasive, it's not going to damage the hook and loop surface of your sander, which is a lot more expensive to replace than the interface pad. So one of the benefits to using Uneeda's abrasives, their abrasives typically last about 20 times longer than any abrasives you're going to be buying from a hardware store. The abrasives are the best abrasives in the world. You're also getting this whole kit. Takes a lot of the thinking out of it. You're getting a kit with kind of a variety of all the different abrasives that you're going to need for all the different variety of situations you'll be needing as a painter. You're getting a sander, you're getting a variety of open cell abrasives, closed cell abrasives. It does come with a couple of cord attachments if you're going to be hooking your cord to a vacuum, so the vacuum or your cord is not dangling around from your vacuum hose. And you get the tool bag to go along with it, so now you can just put all your abrasives, organize them down inside the bag. Got some side slots back here. I'm just going to put my Film Tech and my Ekastorm in, and then I'm going to drop in my foam abrasives and just stuff inside there. My sander's going to go down inside. Now all these abrasives, I can just stuff in as many abrasives as I want to show up at the job site. These 2 boxes of abrasives will literally just last you multiple kitchen cabinet jobs. It'll last you multiple interior trim jobs. I can just stuff all kinds of abrasives in my tool bag, zip it up. Now I got a handy bag to show up at the job site. Got everything with me. So there's some of the benefits of the kit. You do save a little bit of thought process in the shopping process by trying to figure out what abrasives you need. You just get everything in one kit. So it is my favorite 3x4 sander by Uneeda paired with their EcoPro sanding kit.